Welcome guys, today we will be discussing about the disease that makes our body our enemy. Let's get straight into it. So before understanding how it works we have to understand the working of our body and the cells. Cells are the building blocks of our body. And there are millions of cells that form up our body. Let's say for example, you had wounded your hand and the cells present nearby are actively getting engaged in repairing the injury. As by any time an outsider may enter the bloodstream and affect the body. The platelets present in the blood that constitute less than 1% of the blood quickly repairs it. Now when the area was repaired that old cells are removed and are replaced by new cells. During the cell division there are mutations. And sometimes this may cause mistakes in mutation which makes the grandiose machinery corrupted. This corruption and mistakes are called somatic mutations. Some somatic mutations may occur in genetic pathways that control cell proliferation, DNA repair, apoptosis, telomere erosion, growth of new blood vessels. Now as we know that how cancer starts. Let's know how does it affect the body. After the mutation occurred the cell's DNA gets damaged which leads to unconditional growth. This increases the infection area and it flows with the bloodstream to different parts of the body. And swells up a particular region. Now we have a basic knowledge of how the cancer spreads and affects us. But a question arises that can anyone be affected by cancer or it is related to something else? So let me clear it out for you all. There are various risk factors which cause cancer. Some of them are 1. Our habits, the food we eat, the way we live are all related to cancer. Smoking or drinking are also some bad habits which contribute to cancer. 2. Environment. 3. Inheritance cancer. Now let's see what if someone is suffering from cancer would look like. The symptoms vary widely or they may not occur at all. Some patients have abnormal bumps, unexplained fevers, night sweats or unintentional weight loss. There are 5 main types of cancer. 1. Carcinoma. This type of cancer affects organs and glands, such as the lungs, breasts and skin. Carcinoma is the most common type of cancer. 2. Sarcoma. This cancer affects connective tissues, such as muscle, fat, bone, cartilage. 3. Melanoma. Sometimes cancer can develop in the cells that pigment your skin. These cancers are called melanoma. 4. Lymphoma. This cancer affects your lymphocytes or white blood cells. 5. Leukemia. This type of cancer affects blood. Now we can move to the part that if someone is suffering from cancer then can he or she be treated? The answer to this is yes, there are medication available in the market. For now let's see the most used drug. The chemotherapy drug is a drug that targets all the fast-growing cells in the body and stop them. As they target the cells stop getting supplies and dies, thus this ends cancers. But with every treatment comes some side effects. And this drug too have some side effects. As we know that this drug targets all the fast-growing cells but there is a problem that this drug can't distinguish between the cancer cells and the normal cells in the body. As a result it stops the bone from growing and also the hair cells. So the side effects would be 1. Hair loss. 2. Nausea. 3. Weakened immune system. For solving this problem doctors inject the drug only to the affected region. Doctors prefer chemotherapy drug as the secondary treatment after radiation therapy or surgery. Most cancers have 4 stages. The specific stage is determined by a few different factors, including the size and location of the tumor. Stage I, cancer is localized to a small area and hasn't spread to lymph nodes or other tissues. Stage II, cancer has grown, but it hasn't spread. Stage III, cancer has grown larger and possibly spread to lymph nodes or other tissues. Stage IV, cancer has spread to other organs or areas of your body. This stage is also referred to as metastatic/advanced cancer.